you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's manifestation box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So September's manifestation box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in this box. I absolutely love this box. I love the meaning. I love the jewelry. This is one that I actually purchased from their shop. You can, without a subscription, purchase directly from their shop any individual items, and like that's how I got this. And I purchased one for my mom too that was all amethyst. So you can do that, or you can check out both of the subscription boxes that they have. So let's get into this one and see what's inside of this box for this month. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. So when you first open it up, there is a card right on top. So it says, Tracy, for this month, I prepared you tools to work on self-reflection. All right, so let's see what's inside. There is their sticker manifestation box. And when we remove that, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So with this one, you always do get a bracelet, you get a necklace, and you get a monthly crystal. You also get the astrology for your particular sign. So when you do sign up, they do ask, like, I am a Scorpio. So I get the zodiac for Scorpio. So this is definitely tailored for yourself, and you choose your wrist size. So everything, and I think you even get to choose the length of the necklace. So it's basically tailored for yourself, and I absolutely love that. You also get 2 different meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift. And so this is this month's. You have this really cute cat on it. And it says, self-reflection is a humbling process. It's essential to find out why you think, say, and do certain things. Then better yourself. Definitely. So there's that. Again, one for you to keep and one for you to gift. Then you also have the self-reflection and gratitude journaling. You have this whole thing that you can read upon, and this will go over this month's theme. Then I do have my astrology for the month. I can go through that and read up on my sign. I love to do that. Now let's go ahead and see what's down inside of this bag. Ooh, oh, that is gorgeous. We have strawberry quartz. Have you ever heard of that? I haven't, and I haven't seen that, but that is beautiful. It's like a mauve burgundy-ish color, and if you guys follow me, you know I love wearing my burgundy shirt, my burgundy look. So this is absolutely beautiful. That's a great thing. Every single month you have a brand new crystal bracelet, and you can color coordinate it with your outfit. So every day, literally every day when I'm getting ready, right when I grab my purse, I look through to see, do I want a wrap? Do I want a standard? Which one matches? And that's what I wear. Like today I wore this one because it's a moonstone. It matches. I don't have a dark blue yet. I'm hoping one time we get like a dark blue or like a deep teal aqua color. But again, that's the beauty in this. Every single month you have a new crystal. Now with this one, they always do give you the cards. So for this one, you have strawberry quartz, and that's what it looks like right there. It is primarily a stone of joy. It enables us to see the happy, beautiful, and pleasant aspects of life. It increases optimism and positive thinking. If you have been stuck in a rut of negativity, pessimism, or depression, strawberry quartz helps to transform those feelings into more uplifting and supportive feelings. If your daily life is feeling stagnant and dull, then this stone helps you realize the simple pleasures that used to make you happy. How cute. So again, you always do have this card. I love this card. It's very, very easy to read, but yet it explains it perfectly, and it always has a picture of it. So if you ever know, like if you have like these just stacked up and you're like, what was this one again? You can go through, you can look, and you can see exactly what it is, and then you know. So this is the bracelet for this month. Again, you get to choose what size you want your bracelets to be, and that's why they are made. But that is just beautiful. I love the different color variations through it. Love it. So then what was inside the bag as well is the monthly crystal for this month, and that would be for this. This is Garnet. We did get a Garnet one that I do wear with my burgundy now because it is the closest thing that matches until now. But I absolutely love that one. So now we have an actual large stone of it. This is Garnet, is known as the stone of happiness, is ruby red in color. It enhances your internal energies to bring forth an intense level of inner joy while increasing your presence. Garnet is also known to raise your healing powers during illness. And again, self-explanatory. I love these cards. So there is the monthly crystal. There is the bracelet for this month. So now let's dive into the necklace and see what we have. Let's see. Ooh, I see the name of it. Oh my gosh. And that matches so good. And it's not the same crystal. Wow. Okay. So let me pull this out. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that. How pretty is that? I love the cut to it as well. That is just a different type of shape that you have. And that is, oh wow. I do not want to butcher that name. I've never seen that before, but that is what it says. So for this particular crystal right here, look at how pretty that is. So this one right here has developed the nickname of the Stone of the Heartland due to its connection of the energies of unconditional love and its ability to root these loving energies into ourselves through thoughts, feelings, and manifestations. It is an uplifting and energizing heart stone. When you work with the energies of this stone, you are allowing yourself to accept and communicate love. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I love this. And again, it's not the same stone as a strawberry quartz, but these match perfectly. Like you can definitely wear these together and they're going to look like it is a matching set almost, even though this is like a variation of colors. The colors inside almost match like perfectly. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And I love that it is a silver chain. It's mainly silver chains. Sometimes you might get a rose gold chain. You might get a yellow gold from here and there, but mainly it's silver, which of course, if you know, I love. And that is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Look at that. And then there is the bracelet. So pretty. You also do have some cards in here that goes over a little bit more information and shows you some more things that they have to offer. They also have the wrap club if you want that. I will tell you information about both of them in just a moment. So a quick recap of the September 2022 manifestation box. You have this beautiful, I love all those different variations of colors. You have this beautiful bracelet, this gorgeous necklace. You have the garnet stone. You have, again, the papers to read, plus your astrology, and that is everything. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for the September box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think about it? These are absolutely beautiful. I am digging this month's stones for sure. Let me know what you think, but oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Beautiful. So if you do want a little bit more information about the different boxes, I will go over the manifestation box first, since that's what I showed you. So for that one, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you 20% off all products and subscriptions. So if you're not ready to go to a subscription, but you want to grab a few of their individual products, my code will work on that as well. So SheCrafty for 20% off all products and subscriptions. This monthly subscription box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid conscious living. Ready to manifest your dreams? Select your plan. You can do month per month, so box per box is $39 per box. If you go to 3 months, it brings it to $36. 6 months will bring it to $34, and 12 months will bring that down to $33 per box. And that is an amazing deal because you get the best and the most beautiful jewelry with the crystals, the intention for it, all around a theme for the month. And I just love what this box means, what it represents, and how it makes me feel. So each month you will practice a theme, what we're working on, and contains a personal gemstone bracelet, necklace, a healing crystal, 2 meditation cards, one to keep and one to gift, and your astrology forecast for the month. You can subscribe for as low as $33 a month, and it's always at least a $97 value. There's again the online shop as well, and then they have the wrap bracelet. They have the Mother Earth Wrap Club, where you will get a wrap bracelet every month. That one you don't get the astrology and all the other stuff. You just get the wrap bracelet and one small little surprise. It could be a crystal. It could be a little thing of like some oils or something. But it's mainly just for the wrap bracelet. And that one is, if you do month to month, it is $39 per box. 3 months will bring it to $36. 6 months will bring it to $34, and 12 months will bring it to $33 per box. And again, you'll get an amazing wrap bracelet for the month. You will still get the card that goes over the stone, and if there's any charms or anything hanging, you'll have a card for that as well, and that would be for the Mother Earth. She also does give back, and I absolutely love that. And I tell you guys that I love when companies give back, because then we're all helping each other. So she does also give back, and that is amazing. So that is everything that I have for this manifestation box. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month? What did you think of the crystals? Oh my gosh, I am loving it. This is almost one of my favorite months so far. I love these two together. I love these colors. That couldn't have matched any better, and I am so happy to have another beautiful, amazing set by Gogh Jewelry Design. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.